goes a little something like.
Everyone, it's me, your writer, Ria, and for today's video is to go open tayo ng books from Psychom. So yeah, before we start, I would like to thank Ate Jack, yes, Ate Zari, and of course Psychom. Yeah, thank you so much for this book. Yeah, yan. So yan, buksan na natin to, but don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. And don't forget also to answer our monthly giveaway. It's month of June, so sorry na guys, don't forget that. So first, we're gonna open this. Tawag dito yung book na ulit ito. Owned by the Mafia Boss by Amor Velus. Ano ba? Amor Velus ba? Mahal talaga ako ng packer nila kasi tingnan mo naman. May papel na, may ano pa. May ano pa, di ba? Mahal talaga ng power nila, yes. Thank you so much. Yan, sana natin, don't forget. That's what we've been waiting for. Ang tagal ko na itong gustong mabili. And yes, it's in here na. With free bookmark. So cute, so cute. I like, this is the color, like my favorite color actually. It's pink and blue. And purple. Yes, may purple na tayo. With red spine dyan, guys. Red spine. Papulitin ko, red spine. So you know what I mean. I wanna open this. Sheesh. And I don't know if nabasa ko na ba ito sa Wattpad, but isa-isa po hindi pa, or oo. Di ba, ang gulo ko talaga minsan talaga. So excited! Tagal kong gustong makuha to kasi ang mahal niya, like hindi ko masyadong afford. Pero yeah, thank you so much, Psychom. So sobrang pasil. Yan. Dream come true. With special chapter pala siya. Oh, oh my God! Serious ba to? Oh my God! So lucky. I feel so lucky. Ang gwapo naman! Uy, ang gwapo naman! Oh my God. Thank you so much, Psychom. Oh my God. Oh my God. So much joy. Oh, so much joy sa Psychom. Akala ko ba rare? Like, akala ko ba rare? Diba? Rare. Thank you so much also to Amor Velus and Christian. I'm gonna take care of this book talaga. I will cherish it with whole my heart yan. With my whole heart. Talaga. Thank you so much, Psychom. I expect na wala. Yes, I did expect na wala tong mga to. But, sabi nga nila, expect the unexpected. Sheesh. Thank you so much. I got the rare inclusion. Sana all, Charis. Yay! Thank you so much, Psychom. Mahal na mahal ako, Psychom. Oh my God! Thank you so much. Yun talaga eh. Thanks so much, Psychom. Next, this one, yung, ano natin, feel ko maganda to. Kasi maganda yung nakuha ng friend ko eh. So, i-manifest natin na maganda yung makuha ko. Yes. Oh my God. Kinakabahan ako, ba't manipis siya? Sana sana hindi old. Sana yung wala ako. Ganun. Manifest yung wala sana ako. Ganun. Wish. Please give me my wish. Please give me my wish. I would like to wish. Kasi yung kaibigan ko, nakakuha siya no, Obsess. Ano yung title? Yung The Stefano Obsession. Same lang kami na in-orderan. Yung parang, ano, ayun tawag dito yung mystery, gano'n, mystery book. Mark daw. Wala pa ako nito. Yay! Yung wala ako napunta sa akin. Yes, thank you so much. Read these two bookmark. Oh my God, I love that. Yung wala talaga ako napunta sa akin. Yay! Yes, by Anya Kismarelos. Yes, thank you so much. Yeah. So happy. At least, yung napunta sa akin is yung wala ako. That's what I've been wanting. That's what I want. Yung mapunta sa akin yung wala pa ako. So happy. Yay! Yes. Well, at least. Oh my God. Ayun lang naman tagang wish ko, yung mapunta sa akin, yung wala pa akong copy, or hindi ako magkaroon ng dupe. Kasi, ang dami ko ng dupe, like, yung sa Your Place na naman, use ko, 3 na yung dupe ko na ipapamigay ko sa MIBF, gano'n. Tapos ito pa, sheesh. Nilalanghap ko na ang bagong kinabukasan. And guys, thank you so much. Yan. Ito talaga eh. Talaga. Like, and guys, oh my God. Yun lang talaga. Thank you so much. Thanks, guys. Bye.